If you've ever worried about a surprise repair bill hitting your wallet, you've probably heard the name CarShield. But is it actually worth your money? Stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about CarShield Insurance in a way that's easy to understand, including the good, the bad, and whether it's the right fit for you. So first, what exactly is CarShield? CarShield isn't traditional car insurance. It's an extended auto warranty provider. Basically, it steps in when your manufacturer's warranty ends and helps cover repairs, parts, and even roadside emergencies depending on your plan. They've been around for over a decade and have built a reputation for offering flexible coverage options. Now, let's get into what people actually like about CarShield. One major advantage is how fast and simple the claims process is. You can file a claim 24/7 through their website or mobile app, and most requests are processed almost pretty quickly. That alone can take a lot of stress off your shoulders when your car breaks down. Another pro is their certified repair network. Instead of scrambling to find a trustworthy mechanic, CarShield works with approved shops that handle the repairs properly and on time. That creates a smoother experience from start to finish. Coverage flexibility is another big win. They offer several protection levels, everything from powertrain coverage to component-specific plans and even exclusionary plans that act like near bumper-to-bumper protection. On top of that, you can add extras like rental car coverage and roadside assistance, which is great if you're someone on the go. But of course, no service is perfect. So let's talk about the drawbacks. Some customers report issues reaching customer service reps, especially during busy periods. There have also been occasional delays in claims processing, which can definitely be frustrating if your car is in the shop. Cost is the other common complaint. Compared to certain competitors, CarShield plans can come with a higher price tag. For some people, the added peace of mind might be worth it, but others might prefer shopping around. So, what's the bottom line? CarShield delivers when it comes to flexibility, quick claims handling, and access to certified repair shops. It's a strong option if you're looking to protect your vehicle after your manufacturer's warranty expires. However, the higher cost and mixed customer service experiences are things you'll want to factor in before signing up. If you're considering CarShield, take a moment to compare rates and coverage with a few other providers. Your budget, vehicle mileage, and how long you plan to keep your car can make a big difference in whether it's the right choice. Thanks for hanging out with me. If this breakdown helped you understand CarShield a little better, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful reviews and guides. See you in the next one.